Make a video concerning the proliferation of weak genes in people in our society. As you probably know, this system that we live in rewards the honorless and the weak, and the strong ones do not fare very well. But in regards to the weak physically, it's important to remember that it is not a good thing to keep the weak on some sort of life support, so to speak, because if you look at our modern agriculture methods, every single plant survives in the non-traditional ways of growing crops. They use pesticides and fertilizers to ensure that they grow properly and that there's no chance of them dying. And what that does is evolution, or the adaptations, have been halted. But it also allows the pests to adapt. And so you keep needing stronger and stronger pesticides and whatnot. And it also gives you weaker and weaker plants. Same can be said in our modern society. You got diabetics and cancer victims and other hereditary diseases. They normally would have died before modern civilization allowed them to survive and procreate, which expands the reach of their genetic diseases. And so eventually, hypothetically, many more people would have those diseases. And after civilization actually collapses, a lot of people would not survive because everybody's weak. Everybody's dependent on a sort of pharmacology state, dependent on Jewish pill manufacturers. What you can do to help at least curb this is to only find mates that are not diseased in such a way, and do not take any medications whatsoever. That's a major way you can help purify our people, since we cannot sort of have actual eugenics anymore because of the alienation, or not alienation, the villainized movement of eugenics has been dragged under the mud, so to speak. And so that's what you can do. And also remember to, when you garden, to let the pests have some of your your crops, because that is not yours, it is nature's. You must not let the weak inherit the earth.